Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Code and Career. So as you all know, I have recently joined IBM and today in this video I'll be showing you what I got as my IBM Welcome Kit. So this is what they gave me today, and I got my laptop ID card on the first day itself on the onboarding day. So here is my ID card with the tag. So this is what they're giving now. And this is my laptop, which is a MacBook M4 Pro. This is my laptop's adapter. This is what I got today. And I got a diary and a t-shirt as well. So I'll be opening these in a few minutes. So let's open this app for now. Okay, this is the IBM bag. I think this is a new model. I haven't seen anyone having this one in the office, so looks good to me. Let's see what all is there. Something is there inside, so nothing in this pocket, but something is there. Nothing in this one. Let's do the last one. Okay, so first item out of the bag is the IBM hat. Looks really good. I'll just use it up and I'll wear it for the rest of the video. कैसी लग रही है? I'll just keep it here for now. Let's see what all is there. Next item is a diary. Just silica gel. Let me open this as well. So as you know, IBM is also called the Big Blue company, so all their items are blue in color. So this is the diary. Oh, has some stationery items as well. 2 pencils, a pen, scale, rubber and all. And so it looks from the inside. Has some sticky notes as well. Very good. Then let's put this on the side. What is this? Oh my. JBL headphones. Wow. Okay. And a water bottle. So let's open this as well. I think this will be also in blue color. Oh, it's not. This is new. I haven't seen anyone having this as well in office. So this has a wooden type finish, but it is actually metal. Okay, let's keep it here. Let's open these. We have here. Let me just unwrap it. And it has IBM written on it as well. Okay, so these are the headphones. And I have mic. The mic attachment. Cool. Can throw This as well. All items are over from the bag. So these are the total items which I got: a bag, a hat, a bottle, headphones, left and right mentioned on them, a diary, a second diary which I won as a goodie. Like on the welcome session, they were having some trivia quiz and some activities, through which I won this, and this t-shirt as well. I won on one of the quizzes. So let's open this now. So this is also in dark navy blue color, and it has IBM, and here it mentions developer.ibm.com. Okay, what else? Oh, this badge as well. I have joined the IBM India Software Labs department, which, if you know, is like the top revenue generating department for IBM. And this diary is also good. And yeah, it has a bookmark kind of thing here. Okay, alright, that is all for this video. I can show you my laptop from the inside if you want. Just a second. So this is a developer laptop. If you're joining for any other role, you might get a ThinkPad, but nowadays I think they're trying to give a Mac to everyone. But yeah, if you're not a developer, I don't think you'll get a Mac. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you have any questions or queries, put them down in the comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.